The accelerating digitalization, declining labor force, and diversifying market needs. The manufacturing industry is undergoing tremendous transformation. What is the vision of manufacturing that we should aspire towards in the future? Manufacturer N is making a move toward improving conditions in their factory with the support of NEC. What kind of smart factory has manufacturer N realized 10 years from now? Why don't we interview the factory manager and find out? Chief, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Please tell us about the smart factory that manufacturer N realized in 2030.
Of course. The factory we built is capable of handling mass customization. We've completely eliminated overtime and stress-inducing operations that were serious issues 10 years ago.
In what ways has the factory changed?
The factory changed in two major ways. First of all, the concept of the production line has changed completely. We can now manufacture a wide variety of different products without changing the production line, layout, or worker allocation. This has helped reduce overtime significantly. Take a look at this production line. Each of the AGVs autonomously judge the parts and equipment that are required for production, which they then pick up and deliver to an open workstation. At the workstation where the equipment and parts are delivered, autonomous robots swiftly begin to build the products. Secondly, work style has also changed. Remote operation enables real-time remote control of operations from a comfortable location. For instance, workers no longer need to visit hazardous locations, but can now check on operational status in real time from the office. Stressful and strenuous operations can also be conducted from a safe and comfortable environment.
It seems you have successfully created a comfortable environment for the workers.
This monitor room is also connected to the factory overseas, allowing us to check operational status in real time.
Thank you, Chief. So there you have it. 10 years from now, the manufacturing industry has undergone a dramatic transformation. Besides 5G, NEC will use AI, robots, IT, and OT to fully support customers in realizing smart factories.
Orchestrating a brighter world, NEC.